Hello, hello everyone. My name is Rahman Abid Zudin, and today myself and my team will do a presentation on our business challenge for UHMT 1012 Graduate Success Attributes. Before I'm starting today's presentation, I would like to introduce you my teammate. First, we have Fatini Wanina and myself, Nabil Yusudin, and Hasik Azli. Um, as we all know, for this challenge, the goal is to help the university freshmen to widen their mind on entrepreneurship. And before I'm proceeding to the next slide, this is our team for the business challenge. And our team has chosen home and residential as the team and come up with an idea to develop a smart lock device. The introduction on this idea is because of the crime scene of burglary always happen in a housing area. Next, security in the housing area are not safe for housing. And lastly, the shelter's conditions are not safe guarantee, especially when the occupants not in their residential. On the next slide, these are the these are the objectives for the smart lock device we propose. Number one, we have reliable security system. Second, preventing any burglary crimes seen happen in residential area. The third, reducing the burglary crime scene statistic. For the next slide, I would like Haji Azli to present. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Hazim bin Asli and today I'm going to talk to you about the smart lock product design. So actually we have three key features for our product. First of all is we have the thumbprint features which can recognize the owner's thumbprint so that whenever the owner wants to enter or he wants to exit the house, he does not have to bring the key with him to lock or unlock the door. He just needs his thumb and just press it on the thumbprint button. So for the second one is we have the face recognition which can recognize familiar faces. So for this face recognition, it does not only recognize the owner's face but also his family and also his relatives. It can also go up to his friends if the owner allows it to. And the third one is it can sync to our smartphones. So to make it easier to access it. So for our application interface design, also we have three key features. Instead for the first one, we have gas features that can recognize the gas. So and for the second one is we have features to lock or unlock the lock by the touch on the screen, so that the owner does not have to bother himself to go down and open the door. And the third one is it has been connected to alarm systems that can trigger if something happen like burglary or theft in the house. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Fatin Iwanina and I'm going to present about the features on our applications developed. A feature of face recognition and one-touch system are more convenient for residents to keep their home as safe from the danger and burglar crime. If the situation happen to be, the apps will quickly recognize the trigger alarm and automatically contact the local authorities nearby. And if the resident away from their shelters, they can simply monitor through the smartphone, allowing residents to alert the situation in their home. By the features on the previous slide, there is four benefits for users. First, can easily arm and disarm their home from smartphone or tablet. Second, monitoring and managing who enters and leaves their home. Third, able to decide who has access to their home when they are not there. And lastly, can program the system to take certain action when an alarm is triggered.
Hi, my name is Hamid Iskandar bin Nur Razadin, and I'm going to explain more about unfair disadvantages. First, we need a high cost in order to maintain the quality of the tech logs. As the technology advancing with the future, the price of the components also will increase. Therefore, it will cost more to maintain the quality. We also need a supervisor vision to install the device. Some of the customer not familiar with technology. So we need a supervisor to handle this matter and ensure that we can bring the full potential of the product to our customer. Next, we are planning to distribute our product through PR packages. So what is a PR packages? For your information, PR packages is a package that some company will send to consumers when they are interested with the product. The samples given by the company will encourage the customer to buy our product. We are planning to follow this method to distribute our product. Next, we also want to distribute our product through local hardware store. We want to showcase our product to them and make sure the customer can test out the product before they buy them. Lastly, we are planning to distribute it through online stores such as Lazada and Shopee. This method is effective nowadays as the pandemic has been heavily affected the physical market, and we are moving toward the digital platform. Next, we move to the customer segments. First, we aim for a difference in the level of profitability. Profitability is very important as it will help our company to keep release new product to the customer. Next, we have a particular need which justifies the creation of a product. We ensure that our product will fulfill all of our customer needs without any difficulties. We also want the customer to group strongly enough to pay for a different version of the product. This will help our company grow, and as we have a loyal customer that willing to buy different version of our product.
Hi, my name is Guoming, and I am going to elaborate about cost structure and revenue streams. At first, for cost structure, we are spending costs on preparing materials to make a smart lock. The most expensive material is the microchip needed to implement into a smart lock so we can control the lock by using electronic gadgets. Next, we spend costs to engage a software engineer to invent a software application for controlling the smart lock. We also need the software engineer to help us in solving technical problems and maintenance of software application for further improvement. This is a continuous process to ensure our product keep improving with the latest technology. For revenue streams, we decide to sell our product with value 300 ringgit Malaysia without installment service. Customers need to install the product themselves by referring to the guiding manual. We also have installment service which charge 150 ringgit Malaysia. Customers can spend total amount of 450 ringgit Malaysia to purchase our product with installment service. Thank you.